Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, November 19, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, November 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 19, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, November 19, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 19, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, November 19, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.